If you're a growing business, one of the greatest challenges you're going to face is hiring and training new employees. I experienced this personally, and I created something that helped me train and know when employees are ready to be on their own. And it's called a carpet cleaning training checklist. And you can use this for any one of your services. The concept is the same. The content will change depending on what your services and business model. But I wanted to share with you today because it helped me a lot in hiring my last couple of employees. So, what I created was something called the carpet cleaning training checklist. So, the concept behind this is how do you know when your employee is ready to be trained? What are the items that your employee needs to be trained on? And how do you evaluate whether that employee is ready to be on their own, ready to go? So I created this checklist, and the way it's supposed to be used is the carpet cleaner, the new employee goes through training, and towards the end of the training, they're going to go through these evaluations that a more senior representative will be able to give, and will be able to check every single thing to make sure that they're ready to go. So here's what we have on my training checklist. All right. So at high level, we have basic cleaning procedure, we have advanced cleaning, we have extras. All right. So basically, the basic cleaning procedure, etiquette, professionalism. Do you know how to do a pre and post walkthrough? Do you know how to mix chemicals? Do you know how to use our machines? How do you explain VLM or encapsulation carpet cleaning? And do you know how to use our billing and app system? For advanced, what we, pet treatment. Can you make nice shark teeth grooming? Do you know how to work with wool? Do you know how to work with rugs? Do you have experience with hard floors? And then, of course, the extra speed and efficiency, cleaning ability, and customer interactions, how you interact with customers. The idea is that a more senior person is going to grade them from 1 to 5 on each one of these different things, and they're going to sign off on it. And this is a system that I implemented in my business to help me make sure that my employees are all getting adequate training and that we know uh, objectively whether an employee is ready or not, excuse me, ready to be able to go out on his own and do carpet cleanings. If you found this useful, follow along on this YouTube channel. I'm going to share a lot more about different tips and tricks, that things that worked for me in my business, and hopefully they work for you as well. Thank you very much. Talk to you next time.